Welcome to this tutorial. This video is for you to improve your bend and snap and perhaps get you a little bit more confident in your dancing. First thing you're going to do is tilt your pivots to the back and up. This will give you a little bit of stability, and you're going to bend and keep your back straight. When you come up, you make an arch in your back. Giving yourself a wider stance may also help with the balance. Just make sure you don't fall over. Key thing here also to remember to look sexy-licious. Remember, it's all on the look. Your face shouldn't look awkward. If it does, you're probably gonna look awkward. Core strength is super important, so I would advise you, if you have a weak core, to work on stability and strengthening your core to do moves like this.